Runding Analytics is built on Microsoft's Power BI, a unified scalable platform that turns raw data into intuitive user experiences. Gain access to reports that span multiple projects, allowing you to see a top-level view of your portfolio. Customize your experience with reports and dashboards that are easy to understand and personalize. Utilize a comprehensive data model designed from decades of hands-on construction management experience. Click from log view reports right into your Kahua projects to see more details or update the associated records. Use powerful cost management reports to drive smart business decisions. Gain insight into a project's cash flow with cumulative measures that report running totals and drive intelligent forecasting. Ready-to-go reports are included in the package to get you up and running fast, or explore our extensive customization options to fit specific needs.